Are you looking for unlimited qualified small business leads? Then just pick your niche, pick your location, and put Agency Client Finder to work for your business today. If you run an agency or provide services to local businesses, then you need qualified leads that are easy to close and quick to complete. And I'll bet you've heard some guru say, it's just a numbers game. Reach out to more prospects and you'll close more deals. Well, that's true, but only if you have a lot of free time to waste. It's time to stop shooting in the dark. It is not an effective lead generation strategy, and in fact it actually makes it harder to close deals. How about instead you make life easier and make more profits with prospecting that works? You need to target your leads, you need to match your prospects' needs, and you need to provide real value up front. This lets you reframe your cold sales pitch into an authority-driven offer to help the prospect solve a real problem that they have. Agency Client Finder lets you find targeted leads based on your niche and location choices. It then lets you qualify those leads by analyzing their needs and showing you just the prospects you can easily deliver valuable services to. And it helps you create a report tailored to individual prospects using tests to identify what they need help with right now. And it delivers that report to them, tracks when you should follow them up, and automates your daily process. It's time to stop using pointless random prospecting approaches that just waste your time and instead start closing deals the easy way by delivering value and authority up front and letting your prospects reach out to you. Let me show you a quick run through of how Agency Client Finder will do all this for you.
First of all, we need some source data to get some places from or some businesses from. So I'm going to use the Add API Places Data API, and we need to select a country, UK selected at the moment, a data source which is default Google, and we need to find an area. Now you can type whatever I want in here. I'm just typing PLY to start off with. When I click to search that area, it'll populate this town or postcode options. So I've got Plymouth PL1. The business type, I'm going to look for some plumbers. Okay, once I've put those in, first I'm going to start a new session. So I'm going to click to import the places, and it will just go away and find those for me. And when I click to add places, it will give me a dashboard full of businesses. Okay, I can filter these out a little bit. I can clean for invalid websites. So I want to make sure that all the ones I'm going to work for have got a website. So click to clean invalid websites. That will run and do that for me. I could in fact keep it so I'd only keep the ones that didn't have websites if that's the kind of business I was looking for. So now I can go and check all those websites and stuff about the business. I can just click this up here and it will go off and it will just process each one of the businesses and find all the basic information about them. So now I have all the basic information, contact information, etc. If we want to, we can work from here, but we're probably better off to do an even more in-depth analysis. So let's take one of these. Let's try this Mike Jarvis Plumbing, and we can go into OpenView. And now we get the information that we've got, but in a better displayed view. We can see exactly what we've got, what we haven't got. We can do some more in-depth analysis. So if we do all these, we can check the performance of the site, the SEO of the site, the accessibility, and we can do those all in one go. So you just click that button there. And that's all done. We can also find the link data on it, and we can check all sorts of other things. We've got a mobile friendly screenshot over here, so I can check if it's mobile friendly. I'll run off and do a test on that one. And the mobile friendly check has finished, and yes, it's sure enough, it's mobile friendly, and there's a quick image of the web page on a mobile phone. And once we have all the information that we want, we can turn that into a customer report by going to Build Customer Report, and we can decide what we want and don't want in the customer report. We can take things out or put things back in, and I'm going to generate that report, and there we are. You see it appears up here as an image. So now we've got everything done and we've analyzed everything about the business. We know exactly what we need to supply, what we need to talk about, so we can go and contact the customer. So let's go to Campaign Manager. You'll now see we have a campaign for each of the businesses that are going on at the moment. Before we do anything else, we just want to manage the emails. So we're going to send out a series of 4 emails to the particular customer. So let's put in the business types. It's a plumbing business, and that will auto populate the emails with the details of that particular business, etc. So we just need to save that off. So we save the emails, and it's paused at the moment. We need to activate the campaign. Now we can change this and edit this particular one, but this shows you what the email is, and so it's added to it the customer business report. And it's taken us to click and book a free strategy call. That's the object of this particular email. Once we've done that, we can go to campaigns. We go to the campaign manager once again. So if we take just that one business, which is the Mike Jarvis Plumbing and Heating, I can turn the email status on. And as you can see at the moment, it's now on. It says this is the first email and it allows us to send. So it tells us, yes, the action is required. So I send that and there we are. The email is now sent and you'll see that there's no action now required. In fact, the emails come to me because part of the test, so you can see it's actually come in there. We're now on to the second email. It won't allow you to send that out now for another 48 hours so that you send out these emails in a sensible sequence. And all you need to do is come into your campaign manager once a day and go through. And if it says action required, so in this case it says you need to phone somebody. If there's no action required or whatever, this one will then come back to yes and tell you to phone the next one. And it says need to fill your appointment book, so that's come into me. And you see it has the report in there, the email, and click to your free strategy call. And you can connect any calendar to that one. They can book their own strategy call and actually engage with your customer.
That's by no means a complete run through. I've just covered the main areas to give you an overview, and hopefully by now you can see how valuable Agency Client Finder will be to your business. Stop shooting in the dark. Use Agency Client Finder to laser focus your prospecting today. Analyze your prospects to match their real needs, and then deliver tailored upfront value and build authority with genuine help, and have a daily prospecting process that takes minutes, not hours. In other words, Agency Client Finder can help you close more deals quicker and with less effort. And with our money back guarantee, you can take Agency Client Finder for a spin for 30 days. And if you're not completely happy, you can get your money back, no questions or hard feelings. Now, the massive launch discount is limited. We're doing it for a very specific reason, and the price will be going up to $397 once the launch is over. We're doing this because we're looking for feedback and testimonials from new members. The discount is our bribe to you in return for your feedback, suggestions, and testimonial once you've had chance to put Agency Client Finder into action in your business. And you get a full agency rights license with 3 users included during the launch period. Isn't it time you dramatically improve your prospect targeting, analysis, outreach, and close rate? And now you can with Agency Client Finder, your dashboard to get qualified leads that are easy to close and quick to complete. Please make sure you look through the page below for all the details and terms of service. Remember, we do have a 30-day refund guarantee and you get the agency license. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside.